to solve the Google Play Store server error issue on the Samsung Galaxy Tablet 2. But before I begin, to say that if your tablet is being slow, factory reset it so that it goes back to normal and isn't slow. And when you're done resetting it, sign into your email account. I'm going to first, let's start. First, you're going to make sure that in your settings that it allows you to download apps from unknown external sources on the internet, because you're going to need that. Then you're going to go to the internet app right here on your tablet. I'm not going to show this because of it's a YouTube policy to not show like illegal websites. So I'm just going to talk while showing my tablet. So while you're on the internet, you're going to go to the website called mobileapkfree.com. While you're on that website, you're going to download Google Play Store on there and Google Play Services. It may take a while. For me, I think it took me around 14 minutes or so. I'm surprised that it really worked. I found out about it on a video. So then once you're done like installing those, or like, yeah, it says on it that there's like a link for you to click. If it fails to install, like you could click that orange highlighted link when you're done like clicking that or done installing Google Play Store and Google Play Services. Then this thing pops up on my tab. Then I clicked Google Play Store app. I clicked it and it automatically took me to my Google Play Store app, and it was automatically finished updating. And then it's supposed to look like this because mine's automatically finished. And I clicked on it. Then it automatically pops up like normal on here. Some of the apps on your tablet will automatically update, like Google. But this isn't really the recent 2023 version of the Google Play Store now, because like this version, it's a little outdated. You can't exactly download everything on here. For example, when I type in YouTube, it does not show the new version of YouTube. It only shows like YouTube Kids, YouTube Music. Well, like it does have Instagram and Google Photos. And it does have Google Chrome. I downloaded Google Chrome. Google Chrome, it kind of works, but you can't access some of the websites because they're like outdated or something. But you can go to YouTube on Google Chrome, and you can go to like AO3 on here too, which is working because it's showing my most recent profile on here. So it only works on showing some recent websites on Google Chrome. But I can't update like some of the apps here that came on my tablet because this tablet's very outdated. You can't do any more system updates for the Samsung Galaxy Tablet 2 version because it's very old and outdated. There's no more like new system updates for it. So I can't update YouTube on here because this is like the outdated version of when this tablet came out in like somewhere in the mid 2000s. And YouTube is not on my Google Play Store app. But I did update like Google Drive, Dropbox. Dropbox doesn't really work. It has like errors in it. And like, you know, I was able to get like Gmail updated and Google. But you know, Google Plus, you can't really do anything about that because Google Plus is discontinued for a long time. And it just comes with this tablet because Google Plus used to be big back then. And then here's like Netflix, but you can't really update it. I don't think Netflix is on my Google Play Store app. And when you install like Google Play Store and Google Play Services on the internet website that I just said earlier, it's going to show the full download of that completed in your Google Drive account. And that's how you fix that issue. But I don't think it's like worth it because, like I've said, you can't really do much on this version of the tablet because you can't really install everything on the Google Play Store app. It doesn't have every recent app available on here. It's just very limited options. And I thought that this would work because I wanted to see if I could download some old drawing apps to put here on my tablet, but I wasn't able to get the ones I wanted because the Google Play Store doesn't have the drawing apps that I use. They just have little bit of ones that I do not use at all. So they don't have Ibis Paint on there or like Sketchbook. I want to see if that's Sketchbook on there. They do not. And that's it.